Back in the day, when the pioneers were trekking to the western United States, if a boy and a girl fell in love and wanted to get married, there wasn't a jewelry store for the boy to go out and buy her a diamond ring. So they went and they would get a horseshoe or an oxen shoe or a mule shoe nail and form it into a ring. That was called a prairie diamond. This video shows you how to make a prairie diamond. Horseshoe nails come in different sizes. The small one on the top I bought at the local tractor supply store. The one in the middle I ordered, it is an E6. And finally the one on the bottom that turned out to be the best, most useful, I ordered on the internet. It's a size E10. It's used for putting horseshoes on draft horses. When formed into a ring, the tractor supply horseshoe nail makes a ring so small it will barely fit a baby. The E6 ring will fit a skinny girl. The draft horse shoe nail works well and will fit most anybody. If I want to make a ring that's a little smaller, say a size 8, I will cut the tip off of the horseshoe nail, otherwise I leave the tip on. Put the head of the horseshoe nail in a pair of vice grips, and then with a hammer start wrapping it around the steel rod. At this point, the vice grips get in the way of completely wrapping it around, so I will get the channel locks and finish the job. Once the ring is fully formed around the steel rod, I can adjust its size a little bit if I need to with the pliers, and voila, I have a prairie diamond ring. Not bad, is it? If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, subscribe to the SE Turtles channel, or watch one of my other videos. Until next time, bye-bye.